It was only yesterday I saw from the news that the governor of Zamfara issued a press statement calling for the citizens of Zamfara to bear arms. Well, I'm yet to get the details, but I do not think that that's the right way to go. There are members of the armed forces, the police, and other security agencies. We equally have vigilantes in Zamfara. The basis for asking for citizens to bear arms, I'm yet to know. I believe that the Attorney General of the Federation will look at the Constitution and what the laws say and what the powers of the executive governor is to be able to do this. But I believe that that, in my view, is not the right way to go. There are, of course, actions that members of the security agencies, the armed forces in particular, the police and other security agencies that are doing in conducting in Zamfara state and environs. I believe that that should. Beyond that, of course, there are other, legal issues, other issues of governance, other issues that the governor, I believe, could have addressed using the instrumentality of the laws that are available for, to bring greater peace and security. But like I said, I do not intend to, say much about it. I believe that the federal government, especially the, using the Attorney General to look at, the details of that press release, if you like, the instruction. If what I read is true, I do not also think that the governor has the powers to instruct the Commissioner of Police to issue licenses, because the Commissioner of Police does not have the powers to issue licenses. Anyway, like I said, the Attorney General will say much about it.
Okay. So what's the position of the armed forces on this matter?
No, the armed forces, the armed forces is only an instrument of policy implementation. We do not take instructions from state governments. We have a commander-in-chief. The Constitution gives the right and the powers to the commander-in-chief for the use of the armed forces. And I believe that what we're doing in Zamfara State and, of course, across the states of the Confederation is in deference to these provisions of the Constitution. And so we're there because we're there to give support to the security, to the civil authority, in this case the police. I mean, we do not need to restate what the issues are that have led to the deployment of military across the country. But then, like I said, we're doing the very best to ensure that peace returns to every part of the country.
Okay, thank you, sir.